Hello everyone, today we will discuss condensation reaction. Condensation reactions are those reactions in which two or more molecules undergo addition reaction or they condense together to release either water or simpler molecules. Initially, condensation reaction was those reaction in which only water was released, that is, dehydration takes place. But nowadays we can see that in condensation reaction, a water molecule together with either ammonia, primary amine or secondary amine or alcohol may also be released in certain condensation reaction. Now in condensation reaction, let's consider we are having this carboxylic acid and when it is treated with primary amine. Here, due to condensation of this, there is loss of water molecule and that results in formation of amide. Whenever we are having, let's consider ester and we are treating with the same amine, in that case there will be loss of alcohol here. Here again you can say this is again condensation reaction. Now one by one we will discuss, and first we will take aldol condensation reaction. Now coming up to aldol condensation reaction, here we can see that word aldol is made up of two words, ald and al. Ald means aldehyde and al means alcohol. Whenever we are taking 2 mole of aldehydes having at least one alpha hydrogen atom, it undergo condensation forming aldol product. Here aldol, aldehyde, 2 mole of aldehyde having at least one alpha hydrogen atom will form aldol product. But whenever in place of aldehyde we are having ketone with alpha hydrogen atom, 2 mole of ketones in which at least one of the ketone will have at least one alpha hydrogen atom, under similar condition it will undergo forming ketol. Here you can see that ketol is also made up of two words. Ket means keto and al means alcohol. It means the product should contain either aldehydic and alcoholic group or ketonic group and aldehydic group in the same molecule. Now let us take example of this aldehyde. Here this is second carbon atom which is called alpha carbon atom and it contains 3 hydrogen. Requirement is presence of at least one hydrogen, alpha hydrogen atom. Here we are having 3 alpha hydrogen atom. This molecule under basic condition, for example we are taking sodium ethoxide, it forms aldol product. Here when you are going to write mechanism of the reaction, here there is formation of carbanion. This base will give O minus C2H5 and Na plus here. This base will approach at alpha hydrogen atom of this aldehyde. Once it approaches at alpha hydrogen atom, there is loss of carbon hydrogen bond that results in formation of carbanion. Once this carbanion is formed, in next step it further approaches at carbonyl carbon. Here we are having carbonyl carbon and due to electromagnetic change here it approaches at carbonyl carbon forming and then with hydrogen ion it will form C3 OH, H, CH2 and C. This is aldol product. Here we are having alcoholic group as well as aldehydic group. But remember whenever this aldol product is formed, this molecule is unstable. On heating, it loses water molecule. And here OH is lost and one hydrogen either from this carbon or from this carbon. But according to Setjeff rule, here number of hydrogen is less as compared to this methyl. Therefore, hydrogen will be lost from this carbon, and that one will result in formation of this product. CH double bond CH2 CH and then CH. And here there is loss of water molecule. And this loss of water molecule is hydrogen from this and OH from this. This is the actual product which is formed in this aldol condensation after heating. Otherwise, aldol product is only this one. Now take example of ketone. Let's consider we are having acetone here, 2 mole of acetone under similar condition in presence of sodium ethoxide. It will undergo to form ketone. Now mechanism is similar to that of aldol formation. Here again we are having here alpha hydrogen is there, and this base will approach at alpha hydrogen, and there is loss of this and formation of here carbanion formation takes place. Once carbanion formation takes place in this acetone, it further approaches at carbonyl carbon of next ketone, that is acetone. Here again due to electromeric change, this carbanion carbon will approach at carbonyl carbon, and there is formation of condensation product O minus CH2 CO CH3 here, again hydrogen ion, it will form this ketone. This is ketone, ketonic group at this carbon atom, and alcoholic group. Ketol is formed. But as soon as ketol is formed, on heating again it loses water molecule as it is unstable. Here again, adjacent to this carbon atom containing OH group, we are having 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. At these 2 carbon atom, 3 hydrogens are there. Here 2 hydrogen. Therefore, as per Setjeff rule, hydrogen will be removed from the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen atom, and that is why loss of water molecule take place here, OH from this carbon and hydrogen from this carbon, and that results in formation of unsaturated ketone, and this unsaturated ketone will be the product in this reaction. This is mechanism of ketol formation. Now if we are having 1 mole of aldehyde, let's consider this is, and 1 mole of ketone, then under similar condition what will be the product? Here what will be the product? Here in this case we can see that we are having aldehyde as well as ketone, and both are having alpha hydrogen atom. It means carbanion will be formed with this aldehyde, and that carbanion may attack at this aldehyde as well as this ketone also. In the same way, carbanion will be formed with the help of this ketone, and that one will approach at carbonyl carbon of aldehyde as well as ketone. Therefore, in this case, formation of 4 product will take place. 4 product, 4 aldol and ketol, mixture of 2 aldol and 2 ketol product will be there, and These products will be summarized as here. If carbanion of this aldehyde will approach at carbonyl carbon of aldehyde, then this product will be. And if the same carbanion approaches at this ketone, in that case, formation of this product will be. And if carbanion of this ketone approaches at aldehyde, then we are having here this product. And once carbanion of this ketone will approach at carbonyl carbon of ketone itself, in that case, formation of this product will take place. It means here we can easily see that we are having 2 aldol and 2 ketol. And again, when we are going to hit these aldol and ketols, they will lose water molecule according to Serge rule and will form unsaturated aldehyde and ketones. Here loss of hydrogen from this carbon, here again from here, from here. And this is aldol condensation. Now we can see in complex molecules also, in larger molecules, here we are having 2 ketone, it may be 1 aldehyde also. Whenever we are having such type of molecule, if there is alpha hydrogen atom, under similar condition, internal condensation take place. Intramolecular aldol condensation reaction take place here, and if formation of anion take place at this carbon atom, it approaches here and it cyclizes to form this. This is how internal condensation and internal or intramolecular aldol condensation reaction take place. Thanks.